how to create short mockups of designs in Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can create some short mockups within a Canva. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to go ahead to canva.com, sign in for an account if you have. If you don't have, sign up. It is just simple. Now, after that, you have to decide where you are going to post that mockup design. If you are going to post it on Instagram, all you have to do is to type right here, Instagram post, and here we have it. Click enter and it will show up the templates for Instagram. If you want to put it, for example, for Pinterest, all you have to do right here, go back to Canva here, put Pinterest like that, Pinterest pin like that, pin, and here we have it. Click enter and it will let you see the right designs and also the right templates. If you want to put it on Facebook, it is the same thing. Now let's see that I am going to post that post or that mockup into Pinterest. Let's go right here to select a template. I'm going to choose a free template. Let's go with this one. Customize it, click on customize right here and it will open up the design in a new window. As you can see, we have the size of that post or of that page is going to be the fit or the right fit for Pinterest. Now let's go ahead and remove all of these. I'm going to remove these images and also the effects right here. I will not let any effects, and also the color. If you want to change that color, go ahead and click on the design and here we have the background color. Let's set it for now for white. It doesn't matter the color. Later we are going to decide however or what color we are going to put. Simply right here, go ahead and upload the image that you are going to set the design of your t-shirt. For example, I am going to select a like this. I think this one. Yes, this one is the image, but all you have to do is to make the image background free, or let's have the image like that with a free background. So you can go ahead and make that image without a background using Canva, which is a option into the premium plans. For example, here I'm going to type simply, I'm going to click on the image, edit image right here. I'm going to edit that image. Then we are going to see here we have the option of background remover. You click on it and it will remove that background. If you don't have the pro feature on Canva, you can go ahead on Google, type background remover, and you will see the image removed from the background. Now let's proceed to the work. We have the design, we have the right dimension, and simply right here we are going to select the image, click on edit image, and here we have the effects or the effects from Canva. I am simply going to drop down a little bit until I see on the apps. Here we have mockups. If you don't see it right here, click simply on apps on this left side bar. Go ahead on Canva apps and type mockup. Mock apps right here. This is the most relevant word. Click on it and it will show up the app. This is free to use, so go ahead and click on it, and then we are going to search for the apparel. For example, we have here the apparels. You can see that we have some hoodies, some t-shirts, and some designs. You can go ahead and select one of those like that. I'm going to select one of these apparels. Let's wait for here and it will simply get your design and crop it. You can go ahead and make it bigger, or you can go ahead and click on fill or fit, or you can put some smart crop. And here we have the alignment, the flip, and the color. If you want to change the color of that for example t-shirt, simply click on any color that you want and it will change. Apply changes, give it little seconds or a couple of seconds, and here we have it like that. Or for example, in my case, I'm going to let the design to fill and it will grow up or increase the size a little bit. Here we have it. I'm going to put some zoom right there. Here we have it. This is the preview. Click on apply changes and we will see the result. here we have the image normally should be increased, as on this case here we have the image increased. Now let's go ahead and change the type or the mockup. From here I'm going to delete that mockup and also search for other mockups. I'm going simply to see here, if you don't like these type of apparels or mockups, you can go ahead and select one of these. For example, we have a character that has also the mockup on their shirt. For example, I'm going to select this one, or let's go ahead and select another one to make it. I want to see some vertical images. Here we have a vertical image. Click on it simply, it will load up right here in just a few seconds. Delete that, it is not necessary. I'm going to put it right here like that, and simply upload the design that you want to see. I'm going to edit the image and make it background free, and here we have it. Simply go ahead and drop the picture to the design and it will be capturing the picture or the design that you have. I'm going back right here to the mockups, and then we will see the modification right away. Here we have the image loaded into my design. When you click on it, it will show up here the design and also the zoom in and the options. For example, for the t-shirt or the sweat color, I'm going simply to click on color and I am going to change it for this, let's say this orange. Click on apply and you will see the changes. These colors are fully customizable and fully editable. I'm going to put this also, and here we have it. You can go ahead and let this design and also add another right here apparel. I'm going to wait for the load up right there. Let's go ahead and add another one, maybe this one. Wait for it until it loads. It will take a little bit of time because these are some voluminous files that are going to be live on your design. Here we have it. As you can see, it is loaded. I'm going to resize it like that, make it like this, and I'm going right here to pick up the uploads of the logo that we have chosen right here. I'm going to add another page right here. Then I'm going to proceed also with the editing of the background remover. This is why I told you that you need to set or get the image without a background, so it will let you save some time also and not go and confuse the software. Now I'm going to let it right here, slide it, and we'll wait for the design to be uploaded or applied on this page. Here we have it. You can go ahead and click on the mockup right here, click twice on the mockup or the image. You can see that I'm going to remove that color also, or you can go ahead and change it. This is the brown. We'll wait for the appliance, and here we have it. Now, if you want to make these, for example, mockups to be downloadable, click on share, go on to download, simply wait for here until it will show up the type of file and also how you want it to be downloaded. Like that, simply we are going to see here the file type, the size, and the download button. You can go ahead and select the page. I'm going to select only the first page, click on download and wait for it. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.